Hi, this is Sage, the Balloon Sage, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this giant, round balloon arch. All you need are 144 12-inch round balloons, a pump, a pair of scissors, and a spool of fishing line or ribbon. Let's start by inflating a 12-inch round balloon, 14 pumps. Make sure it's nice and round. And tie it high up on the nozzle. Repeat these steps with a second balloon. Now, tie the two together. And you've made your first pair. Let's make another pair. There's no need to tie the knot on that second balloon. Just pair them up. Finally, spin the pairs at their centers. To form the balloon building block, known as a quad. Here we will make a purple quad, as I've chosen to use alternating colors for this arch. Each balloon, each pair, and each quad is exactly the same, except for color, of course, and this is where you can get creative and design any pattern and color combination you like. An electric pump can make the inflation process so much easier. And a pair of chairs positioned back to back works fantastically as a balloon sizer. Utilizing this speedy electric pump technique, you don't even need to tie any nozzle knots at all. Just pair them up, straight off the pump. The assembly process can be tough on the hands, so I recommend wearing work gloves. Let's unspool our fishing line. Then, tie it directly into the center of your base quad. Think of the fishing line as the spine of your arch, running through the center and connecting all those balloon quad vertebrae. Uh-oh, a balloon appears to be deflating. Not to worry, simply remove it. And replace it with an equally sized balloon by tying it into the line center and around the nozzles of the other balloons in the quad. I want to reiterate the core techniques for building this arch. 1. Always thoroughly wind your fishing line. 2. Put heavy pressure on the inner center of each quad as you bind it. And 3. Ensure that the balloons are fully separated from each other so that the line never gets caught on the outside. Statically charged as they are, balloons tend to attract dust, fibers, and hair, so use a lint roller to spruce them up a bit. Now I went solo for this creative endeavor, but clearly having another person to help you hold the arch as you build it is going to make this process much easier. We've done it! All 36 quads are bound together, and it's time to connect the two ends with a new piece of fishing line. Now this process, wow, this is tough. But I know you can do it. Just push those two ends together as tight as you can and really wind that fishing line around. Our giant round arch is taking shape, but it might be a good idea to do one last binding of that connection point, just to ensure the structural stability of this design. Finally, just add weights to the bottom or tie it against the wall, and your decoration is presentation ready.